Hi, welcome to the Pentart Playbook. This is where I'm going to show you all about the different Pentart products. I'm Shannon, and I am from Pick & Boots Vintage. Let's get started. Pentart Decoupage Varnishing Glue Ultra Matte. The next decoupage varnish glue we're going to talk about, we're going to use the same project. If you remember, we did the silky shine on this side and then the matte on this side. Well, today we are going to be talking about the decoupage glue in ultra matte. That means there's absolutely no sheen. Okay. I like to use this for a couple of different things. So, you put your layer down, put your decoupage paper on and the decoupage over it, and you'll get a nice flat, non-reflective surface. However, sometimes I've used the silky shine and I look at my project and I'm like, ooh, I do not like it. So I want to change it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just put the Ultra Matte over the silky shine so you can see that you can use the Ultra Matte to tone down if it's too shiny. So we're going to go from half his bow down. What this is going to do is this is going to put a coat over the silky shine that's already dried, and it's going to tone down the silky shine and make it where it won't be shiny. All right, some other fun facts about the decoupage varnishing glue and Ultra Matte. The pro tip is, I've just said it, the pro tip for this is that you can use this to make your decoupage project matte. Ultra matte, not just matte, but ultra matte. So we're going to be able to compare it to the silky shine and the matte over here. So let's let this dry and then we'll look at it again. Okay, so it is all dry. Now let me show you what it looks like when you put the Ultra Matte over the silky shine. So let's bring this up close. You can already see right here, there's a line, Ultra Matte, the silky shine. So let's look down. So you can definitely see the line of where I put it. So this is a trick, is that you can just put the Ultra Matte over the silky shine or whatever one if you want to make it matte.